The Quality Control tab is used to get a quick overview of your data in bar charts and box plots. By default, all of your samples are displayed, and you can select the scale on which to plot them. Again, by default, we have presence-absence, which shows for each sample the number of observed peaks for that sample, and for those observed peaks, how many of them had a molecular formula or did not. We can change our scale to log base 2, and now for each sample, there's a box plot for the log 2 peak intensity for all observed peaks. If we would like to add axis labels or titles, we can do that as well. By clicking this button, you can add this plot to a list of items that can be downloaded at the end of your workflow. From here, we'll move on to filtering out values in the Filter tab.